This is from Windshield Wow. It's a pro set. They sent it to me from Virginia, which is east of West Virginia, and I've never unboxed before, so. They look like lightsabers. Squirt. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. So that's my first unboxing video, and Windshield Wow has a great product. I will do a demonstration video showing you how much difference it can make for your windshield, especially the inside that never gets clean. You're always sneezing and hacking and coughing and yelling at the driver that just cut you off, and it's gunky, but Windshield Wow can fix that for you. If you want to get started with your own pro kit or whatever product from Windshield Wow, just use the link below and use the code Auto-Biography for 10% off your purchase, and that helps us keep on making this content.